All right, welcome back to Footwork Land. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is a really, really important day because we're going to talk about one of the most fundamental concepts in footwork, which is our wraps and our chambers. Yeah, and in order to do these things, we've created a new position. So we have our cannonball position, which everyone knows, which is right here. Yeah, heels are up. Yeah, we're just hanging out over our feet. And we have our crab position, which is here. Yeah, but for these new steps today, we're going to need to create a new position, which is an exploding crab. Yeah, so it's not a crab, it's not a cannonball. It's what happens when you hit a crab with a cannonball. Yeah, so we're going to go from our cannonball into our crab. Yeah, so we see our feet are still underneath our hips. Yeah, our heels are up. Yeah, so in a crab position, we're more out here. Yeah, so our feet are not as underneath our hips, but our feet are underneath our hips and our hands are down. So what should happen here is if we let go of our hands, we should fall back to the floor. Yeah, this is super important in our exploding crab. So exploding crab position, boom, is right here. Yeah. Now, our first move we're going to talk about is our wraps. So we're going to take our right leg and our right hand, yeah? Those are the ones that we're going to use. So we're going to put our right hand down. All our weight goes to our right hand, and we're going to lift our right leg up, yeah? So we have this diagonal, and we're just going to wrap our right leg around our left. So we're here, and we come back, boom, and again, wrap it around, come back. Cool? Now we're going to change hands, whoop, and left leg wraps around. Come back, see it from the side, boom. Change hands, right leg wraps around, come back, change hands, left leg wraps around, come back. Now it's really important to notice when I wrap around, I'm all the way deep into my ankle here, so my foot is actually behind my other foot. So if my right foot's here, my left foot is behind that foot. That's really important. And come back. And we're always in our exploding crab here. Yeah, so we're not in our cannonball, we're not in a crab. Yeah, that's not going to work. We're up here in our exploding crab. Cool? So those are called our wraps. Yeah, and when we do our wraps, it's really important that we have this what we call a changeover. So if we're on our right side, boom, right hand's down, right leg's wrapped in front. Our changeover is going to be this. We're going to come back, we're going to change our hand, but at the same time, we're going to change to our other foot. So we're going to go change our hand, wrap. And then we come back, we change our hand, wrap. Come back, change our hand, wrap. Come back, change our hand, wrap. Nice. So those are our wraps. If you don't have those yet, pause it, go back, work on that for this next part, yeah? Because now we're going to talk about a new move, which is our chambers. Yeah, so chambers, really simple. They come from our bear position. Yeah, we're going to step through with our right, and our left leg is going to come behind our right knee. Boom. And we're coming into our wrap position. We're going to shoot it back, back, and back. Other side, left foot comes through, into our wrap position, back, and back. Yeah, really important is that we're stepping in line with our hand. Yeah, so we're in line with our hand. We don't want to step here. We don't want to step way over here. Yeah, we want to step in line and then come through so that we actually end up in front of this backhand. So watch it. I step in line with the hand. I step through. So now my foot is in front of my hand. And then come back. From the front, we go right, step, and come back. Left, step, come back. So those are our chambers, yeah? And that's going to take us from our bear position into our wrap position. So play around with those, yeah? And once you feel good about your wraps and your chambers, you can start putting them together, yeah? So what that's going to look like is maybe I do a couple wraps in the front with my changeover, exploding crab, boom. And then maybe from here, I step back, boom, boom, into my chamber, into my bear position. So I went chamber, yeah, back to my bear, but also this is my wrap position, so I can go boom, other side. Now I'm just in a chamber setup, back, and come to the front, wrap, and wrap, step. Oh, just kidding. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so we can start creating some really cool shapes and patterns, and we're gonna talk more about that in the coming weeks because this is a really important move that we're putting together right now. Awesome job. Practice that. Watch the video as many times as you need. Get those wraps and chambers down packed. See you soon.